24 by 12s. Nice. A little bit of black smudges, but I'll wipe off. It's probably from their grease. Nice. We got the wheels. So as you can see behind me, we have our new Forces, and we're actually getting ready to ceramic coat them. So down here in the garage, got one of them out here. Gonna be taking the center cap off and probably gonna ceramic coat that as well. But I really don't like polishing, and so we're going to ceramic coat these to hopefully prolong me not having to polish them. So I'm gonna put you up on the time lapse, and we're going to get to ceramic coating these with our Avalon King armor shield. So let's get it. After a little bit of time, finished up ceramic coating these wheels, and I am not the one to hide stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And whenever your friends say, buy some American Forces or anything like that, you can show them this video. So I don't know what happened, but the quality of American Force wheels has gone down, and I don't understand why. So you'll see here, there's a difference between that and that. It's just the finishing quality is just not where it's supposed to be, and I'm quite frankly disappointed. And like I said, I'm not going to be the one to hide stuff, but they're all like that too. So, which is very disappointing, honestly. So whenever I buy a new set of wheels, I'm probably going to go with specialty forged, but I have something. I'm not too worried about this actually, because I have something planned for this after we run them like this for a while. So just a heads up, probably going to have them powder coated in triple stage, and I will show you the color that we're going to be doing. So sorry, give me a second here. So we're going to be doing the polished barrel, polished lip, and then inside the American Force letters, so inside the spokes inside here, we're going to be doing this color, which is, let's see, this is from Prismatic Powders, and let's see if it'll focus. All right, well, my camera's not going to focus, but it is Gons, and it is top coat over aluminum, so that's what this little thingy is. But we're going to be doing that on the letters, the milling spots, and then the face is probably going to be brushed. So give it a little bit of accent. Now, I'm not dead set on that, but that's probably where we're going to be headed. And it's probably going to be quite a while until we do that. But like I said, I'm just disappointed in the quality. So, but, you gotta learn somehow. But everybody kept saying that their finish was not the best, and now, I know why. But, I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. But this is probably going to be a little bit longer video, because next we're going to be getting these mounted on my new tires. And then we're going to be putting them on the truck. So we'll see you in the... As you saw, we got the wheels on the truck and it looks absolutely insane. And I actually have full turn radius. So we'll go ahead and walk around here. Sun's going down. I was getting a few pictures. Still need to pick up my new grille, mirrors, and taillights, but as far as everything else, it's pretty much complete. Recon third brake light. It's like a black mirror, except for all the bugs that are trying to jump on it because they can't see it. But the truck is absolutely insane. It's way more incredible in person. But stay tuned to the channel because we're going to be doing some performance stuff to this thing next year. But until next video, subscribe.